Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you all the resources where you can learn web development, and I'm gonna give you a brief explanation what web development is. So first of all, here you are looking a page when you can see we are giving a full guidance where you can learn web development. Okay, so let's move forward. Web development is two type. First of all, if you want to be a full stack web developer, there is a two things which you need to learn. First is front end and second is back end. So what front end is? Front end is whenever we go on a page and we look like this interface. This is the interface which we design in HTML, CSS. This is the outer framework which user look. Okay, so it's like it's a designing part. You can understand it as a designing part. We design different kinds of website and we manage their informations and all. We design header, footers, all the designing part come in a front end. Okay, let's move forward. What backend is, what backend development is? Backend is like whatever data. Here is a definition written, you can read this, but I'm gonna explain you in a easy way so you can understand. Backend is a background process. Like some user come on your website and on your app and they fill some information. So backend is like arranging the data. Here you can see it store and arrange the data and also make sure everything is leave it. It's make sure to store the data, arrange the data, and having a complete brief knowledge that how your website is gonna work, how you gonna interact with users. So you understand what front end is. Front end is a designing part, designing and constructing a website, a application. Okay, it's a web page designing. Backend is a backend work on data, backend work on the situation and understanding about clients, understanding W3 school. Second is Geeks for Geeks, and third is tutorial.com. These three website is working so awesome. They are gonna completely going to give you all the documentation about all the languages. Like front end, you have to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so here's a roadmap. You can see if you learn from the basic. So these three are come in the front end part. Front end is designing part. So if you want to know the designing part, then you have to learn these. Okay, look, let's come here. I will teach you this framework in breadth later, because first of all we need to understand what front end and back end is, and these are the main language of front end: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you wanna learn quickly everything, this will take you 1 week, 1 week, almost in 1 month you can design any frame pages, and you can clone any website. I will recommend you to go on YouTube and see different kinds of videos where you can learn this quickly. Do not go on a website directly and starting reading their documents. You will never understand from this. Framework in JavaScript. So here, okay, HTML, CSS is so easy. JavaScript is a tough part in front end. Okay, there is different kind of frameworks you have to study. First of all, you're gonna learn the basic of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and when you move in depth, you will learn Angular, Node.js, React. There's a lots of different frameworks in JavaScript. You don't need to learn all of these. You can learn Angular, you can learn React, you can learn MongoDB. बहुत सारे हैं. Resources. Okay, so let's talk about resources from where you can learn. Now you know the roadmap. You have these roadmap, and you know what front end is, you know what back end is. Okay, you want to learn and you don't know where to learn. Okay, so here are two resources, two types of learning. One is free learning and second is paid learning. There is a no difference between both of them. Free learning is already totally free. I will show you how you can go there. I will show it later. First of all, let's talk about the earning. So why we are learning web development? For earning some good amount of money. Okay, if you only do front end part, then you will not earn much. If you be a full stack developer, then there is a lots of demand of a client. There is a lots of demand of a user who can work on both front and back end. So I will recommend you to be a full stack developer. Okay, don't only stick on a designing part. Go on a back end, go on a depth. Give yourself enough time to learn all these in brief, and then go in industry. If you are a full stack developer, then in starting you will earn 25,000 to 1, and when you continue going in this field, you will earn 1 lakh per month. Okay, and here there are top tech companies which are offering 1.5 lakh per month, 2 lakh per month. So it's depend on you how much you are willing to learn. Okay, so let's go back 1 minute. Okay, let's go back. Let me tell you about free resources and paid resources. Just go on a YouTube and let me write web development. Okay, web development. If you search this, if you search these are ads on which you don't need to go. First of all, we are looking for a free trainings of web development. So here is a Apna college, which is a very good resource to learn. It is a free resource here. Full web development courses
Finally,
uploaded. I don't want to show you. You can check their channel and learn from there. Second thing is Edurekha. Edurekha and IntelliPath. There are lots of videos are uploaded on YouTube from where you can learn web development. Okay, सो वेब डेवलपमेंट टाइप करते ही आपके सजेशन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ जाएंगी. सो आपको अगर ऐसे समझ नहीं आ रहा तो आप जैसे HTML सर्च करें. गो ऑन HTML and see this is they are teaching HTML in one video. Okay, HTML in one hour. You can go for this. Okay, and then go for CSS. If I search here CSS, here there is a lots of videos. This is a 9 hours video. It's too long, but you can learn it. Okay, it's a free resource. So let's go on a paid resource. Udemy. Okay, Udemy course on demand. It's an online website which is selling courses for the students. It's too reasonable. Now it's showing too much price, but when I took courses, it was almost like 5,000. It's showing 8,000. It's too much. I won't recommend any website to anybody. Please don't buy these courses. Whatever you want to learn, everything is free and everything is available on YouTube. You don't need to buy these, and there is no difference on this, and there is no difference in this. Okay, so you can easily learn from YouTube. If you want to buy a course which will completely guide you, then you can buy from here. It's too expensive. I'm saying again, you can go on other website like Skillshare. Second is Skillshare. First is Udemy, second is Skillshare. Skillshare. So here is a 14 days free trial, so you can go and learn from here. They are also providing all kinds of tech web development trainings. Enough. And if you want to learn from documentation, like you like theories, then go on W3 school. I read it wrong. Okay, so go on this website and they will teach you in a brief. Learn HTML. There is a brief introduction of HTML. Whole course is available here. Then CS and then JavaScript. Everything is provided here, so you can learn from here. And this is one of the best website to learn coding according to my experience. ठीक है. So here I am ending my video. If you have any query, comment it down. I will tell you the solution if you have any question. Thank you so much.